7th class Maths Chapter 11 Powers and Exponents Part 5 Exercise 2 Law of Exponents. Today we will learn about law of exponents. Now first one, a power m into a power n equal a power m plus n. Second one, a power m whole power n equal a power m into n. Third one, a power m into b power m equal ab whole power m. Fourth one, a power minus n equal 1 by a power n. Fifth one, a power m by a power n equal a power m minus n. If m greater than n, then a power m by a power n equal a power m minus n. Sixth one, a power 0 equal 1, where a not equal 0, then a power 0 equal 1. Seventh one, a power m by b power m equal a by b whole power m. Eighth one, a power m by b power n equal 1 by a power n minus m. If n greater than m, then a power m by b power m equal 1 by a power n minus m. So this is a law of exponents. Today we will discuss that exercise 2. Second question to sixth question. Second one, by what number should 3 power minus 4 be multiplied so that the product is 729? So we will discuss that answer. Here given number is 3 power minus 4. Product is 729. What is the multiplied number? We don't know that number. So let the number is P. So we will discuss that answer. Here given number is, what is that given number? 3 power minus 4. So given number is 3 power minus 4. Product is 729. Let the multiplied to be number is P. Let. So answer is 3 power minus 4 multiplied P equal 729. Now 3 power minus 4 how much? Now a power minus n equal 1 by a power n. We can use the law. Now 3 power minus 4 equal 1 by 3 power 4 into P equal 729. Now P by 3 power 4 equal 729. So 3 by 3 power 4. Here 3 by 4 is go to outside, that is multiply number. P equal 729 multiplied by 3 power 4. Now 729. 3 how many times repeat again? 4 times. Now 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. Now 729 into 81. So what is that 729 into 81? 729 into 81 equal 59,049. So this is, you can do it. Now answer is 59,049. So let the number is 59,004. Now let the number is 59,000. So third one, if 5 power 6 into 5 power 2x equal 5 power 10, then find the x. So this question you can do it, but I will explain the rough work. Third one, 5 power 6 into 5 power 2x equal 5 power 10. Now a power m into a power n equal a power m plus n. 6 plus 2x equal 5 power 10. Now 5 power 6 plus 2x equal 5 power 10. Here 6 plus 2x equal 10. So So we can use the law a power m equal a power n, then m equal n. So this is one of the law. A power m equal a power n, then m equal n. Here 6 plus 2x equal 10. Now here 2x, here is 6 plus 6. So plus 6 go to equal right side, that is minus 6. Now 2x equal 10 minus 6 equal 4. X equal 4 by 2. Now 4 divided by 2 equal 2. Now x equal 2. So you can do it answer. So x equal 2, you can do it answer. Now fourth one, evaluate 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0. Now we can use the law a power 0 equal 1. Now 2 power 0 equal 1 plus 3 power 0 equal 1. Then answer is 2 power 0 equal 1 plus 3 power 0 equal 1. 1 plus 1 how much? 2. Now answer is 2. Now next fifth one, simplify x power a by x power b whole power a into x power b by x power a whole power a into x power a by x power a whole power b. So we will discuss that answer. So answer is x power a by x power b whole power a into x power b by x power a whole power a. So we can use the bracket. Next one is x power a by x power a whole power b. Now here x power a is cancelled. Now we can use the law a power m into b power m equal to ab whole power m. Now here this is a whole power m into this is b whole power m equal to ab whole power m. Now x power a by x power b into what is that b value? X power b by x power a whole power. So ab whole power m. This is a, this is b. ab whole power m. What is the m value? A. So a into b whole power m into, so here x power a is cancelled. Now here digit 1 power b. Now here x power a cancel, x power b cancel, both are cancelled. Now answer is 1 whole power a into 1 whole power b equal to, here we can use the law a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Now 1 power a into 1 power b equal 1 power a plus b. So answer is 1 power a plus b. Now sixth bit, state true or false and justify your answer. So first you can take that first question. 100 into 10 power 11 equal 10 power 13. Now 100 into 10 power 11 equal 10 power 13. We can take that LHS means left hand side. 100 into 10 power 11. 100, how to write that 100? 10 square into 10 power 11. We can use the law a power m into a power n equal a power m plus n. So 10 power 2 plus 11 equal 10 power 13. This is a LHS. What is that RHS means? RHS equal 10 power 13. So LHS equal to RHS. Then answer is true. Now second question, 3 square into 4 power 3 equal 12 power 5. Now we cannot use of any law. So we can only calculate that LHS equal 3 square into 4 power 3. Now 3 3s are 9. 4 power 3 equal 4 4 is 16. 16 4 is 64. Now 9 into 64 equal 576. Only this is LHS. And we can take that RHS. RHS equal 12 power 5. How many times repeat again? 5 times. Oh, that answer is very too much. So 12 how many times repeat again? 5 times. Now answer is 2,48,832. Now both are comparing. LHS equal RHS, both are comparing. That is not equal. LHS not equal RHS. So answer is false. Third one, 5 power 0 equal 1 lakh whole power 0. So check it answer. This is true or not? LHS equal 5 power 0. So we can use the law a power 0 equal 1. So this is a one of the law. But any number whole power 0 equal 1. Now 5 power 0 equal 1. Now RHS 1 lakh whole power 0 equal 1. So LHS equal RHS. Then it is true. Now answer is true. Next fourth one, 4 power 3 equal 8 power 2. Now we can take that LHS. LHS equal 4 power 3. How many times repeat again? 3 times repeat again. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. Now another LHS. LHS equal 8 square. How many times repeat again? 2 times. 8 8 is 64. Now LHS equal RHS. So it is a true. Next fifth one, 2 power 3 greater than 3 power 2. Now 2 how many times repeat again? 3 times. Greater than 3 how many times repeat again? 2 times. Now 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Greater than 3 3 is 9. So it is a false. Why? Because 9 is a greater number, 8 is a lesser number. So this is a false. Next sixth one, minus 2 whole power 4 greater than minus 3 whole power 4. Minus 2 how many times repeat again? 4 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Greater than minus 3 how many times repeat again? 4 times. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Now 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So 16 greater than 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9, 9 9 is 81. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So 16 greater than 81. So this is a false. Why? Because 81, comparing these two numbers, 81 is a greater number. So this is a false. Thank you everyone. Please share, subscribe my channel.